Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a free Shein gift card in 2025. So I know the website where we can do this. It's called ogsnags.com. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Shein. And we're going to look for the Shein coupons right here. And as you can see, it's a $100 coupon, or at least $100, and 61 people used it today. So I'm going to go ahead and press show coupon code, and it's going to generate me my own Shein code gift card. So we're going to press get full code. It's going to redirect us to this page, and it's going to say you can get up to $500 at Shein. What do you like the most about it? And then it's going to say, how do you want to take the opportunity? So it says, we use this email to notify you once you qualify. So you need to put in your email address. So let me just type it in right here. All right. And then we're going to press continue, and it's going to say activating your reward. So then it will make you do this like registration, which I'm not going to do in the video because I don't want to like show you guys my name and stuff, but make sure you guys register, and then you will get a free Shein gift card, guys. So it's super cool. That's all you got to do, and you can get up to $500. So that is so crazy, guys. So if you want to get free Shein gift card, be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super cool, and it totally works. So yeah, the website is ogsnags.com, guys. That's where you can get free Shein gift card. So just go onto ogsnags, type in Shein, and there it is. So there it is. You can see it's pretty cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to subscribe if you guys like Shein, because this is super cool. It really does work, guys. So I do expect that you guys will enjoy it. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.